you should only see a tiny sliver of the black mouthpiece right above the tip of the reed. And then the bottom should be aligned with the remaining flat edge of the mouthpiece. So once you have that in place, you grab the ligature, which is the metal thing, and you slide it over really carefully, making sure you don't make contact between the ligature and the tip of your reed because it's very fragile. And then you slide on the ligature. And your mouthpiece has, I'll slide it up to show, these two rings going around it. So when you're sliding the ligature on, it should stop right in between those two rings. So, put everything in place. You might have to loosen it up a little bit to get it on in the right position. And then once you have it all situated, you tighten it back up just enough so that it won't fall off. But it doesn't need to be too tight. Okay, and if everything looks put together and you can't see any of the corks and everything is aligned, then you're ready to rock.